Alright, Invisible Glass by Stoner Car Care Clean and Repel. Supposed to clean your glass and add a repelling agent. Snow, ice, salt, road dirt, bug splats, bird droppings from bonding. So I'll just do a quick shake. I'm gonna do half the windshield here. And like many of my other videos, I forgot to turn the nozzle on. Okay. So we'll just do a few light mists there. Let's see how this works. I got me a waffle weave towel. Because you have to use a lint-free towel. Let's flip it over. And already I can tell it works. The glass is a little slippery now. So let's compare it to the other side. Yeah, see? It doesn't move that fast. So this is awesome. I don't know what's in this to make it do that, but it has the cleaning power of the Invisible Glass. So if you are a fan of their Invisible Glass, you'll love this. We're not expecting any rain for the next 10 days, but I mean, if the towel slides that fast, imagine the rainwater, the bug splats, and all that stuff. So yeah, this is a quality product, and it doesn't cost very much. I think I paid maybe 10 bucks, 10, 11 bucks. Not quite sure. Best part is about Stoner Car Care stuff is their customer service is really good. So if you have questions about this product or their other products like the trim restore or Invisible Glass or any kind of like dressings like tire shines, stuff like that, they're always available to help out. They keep their customers, clients updated with, you know, things that may hold back or be back ordered, which I've noticed in the video. I guess when COVID hit, they struggled like everybody else, but they're really good people, and I will always be a fan of Stoner Car Care. And this right here is my new go-to glass cleaner, because I've never seen my towel slide that fast on my glass. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna finish up the other side here, and I will see you guys on the next video.